Also, please join Anup and team. DG sir, can we please recognize Anup? Anup Agarwal, DG sir. Anup, Amarchand Randev, Dayanand, Rahul B. Goyal, Ritesh Mehta. Can I also have the members of the Memento and the Kit Committee? Ramkrishna Srinivasa, C.N. Shamsundar, K. Ramnath, Ramesh Babu, and Sandeep Jain. May I request, the entire Southwest team is here. Give them a good round of applause, please, for the wonderful food that Southwest is giving all of us. All you Southwesters, terrific stuff. And I know for a fact that the food in the next 2 days is going to be outstanding. Let's hear a year for the Southwesters. All right. Thank you, Anup and team.
Programs.
Good evening, friends. Hope I'm not disturbing your evening in the Goa. We assure you we quickly finish off this session. Good evening once again. We bring greetings from International Services from District 3190, and we are proud to announce the Governor's dream vision of having the first things always in the District 3190 for the year 2015-16. We are able to achieve it up to an extent. Our fellowship group in the fellowship cricket playing Rotarians who conducted a magnificent South Asia Cup tournament for the first time in District 3190, and it has been rated as one of the best tournaments conducted by any of IFCR districts, and it was also rated as one of the successful and the best. Hospitality sector was the best things available in the IFCR as on which in the India it was conducted. And when it comes to the polio, our governor has got a target giving District 3190 as a leading district to provide the contributions to this polio fund among the Rotary International. Our IFRM team, Rotarians, has set their own footmark in the organizing rides and inviting and participating riders internationally, where we will be introducing our international riders in the coming hour. And people from Australia, Germany, and US are participating in this event. Our team of cyclings, when we charted that cycling team, that day I requested the cycling chair, Rotarian Loknath, to take up, as the governor has decided to conduct the conference in the Goa. I requested him to take a team from Bangalore to Goa. Now we are able to see our IFCR team sitting here after pedaling 600 kilometers from Bangalore to Goa on a mission, teach mission. Our golfing team in District 3190 has done a magnificent job under the leadership of Rotarian Past President Boti Reddy from Indiranagar, which has enabled the district to bridge the gap between the Rotary International and District 3190 along with the corporates of Bangalore. I would like to also recognize all our cycling Rotarians, motorcycling Rotarians, and we have a family exchange team visiting from Nebraska, USA. Everyone, I request Rotarian Jai Shankar to kindly lead the team of family exchange team to the dais and get it recognized. Jai Shankar, please. Please. This is our team 5630, which has visited, which is in our conference to visit on the invitation of our District 3190, team led by Mr. Tom. Mr. Tom, Yeah. Mr. Carol, can you just lift your hand and recognize yourself? Roten Lorin. Roten Lorin. Yeah. And Dr. Tammy Moe. This is the team which has visited our District 3190 under the Friendship Exchange team, which has been coordinated by our Friendship Exchange Committee Chair, Roten Jaishankar. This is a part of our international event. One second. Yeah. Just kindly be there, sir. We have small mementos for you from the district. I request Governor, sir. Thank you, Jay. Thank you. It was the first time when our governor, District Governor Nagesh, decided let us conduct the conference in Goa. It was the idea of his brainchild. How can we make it a different conference? How can we make it people memorable? Yes, we are making it memorable by riding from Bangalore to Goa, a team of 16 cycle enthusiasts led by our IFCR team and led by Roten R.G. Butt of Rotary Whitefield. I request all the cyclists to rise and kindly come over on the stage and get recognized for the event. Let me share a thing. The cyclist team which are led by R.G. Butt from Rotary Whitefield has done a tremendous job. They started on 22nd of January morning and they reached Panjim on 28th, that is yesterday. They have pedaled around 600 kilometers from Bangalore to Goa. Before they reach Goa, they were able to reach almost around 12 clubs all the way from Bangalore to Goa and around 10 schools. On the way, they spread the message of Teach Mission and they were able to communicate with the presidents and the local Rotary and they were happy with the distributing of dictionaries to the people from the government schools. An outstanding job from the District 3190 IFCR team. Sagar, let me answer your question. The team led by Roten R.G. Butt from Whitefield. He is just young, 64 years. Thank you, Butt sir. Thanks for your contribution.
Vince, come.
As international services, we have a team led by our Nagesh Siddhanti from District 3190 from Bangalore to Goa. The team was led by Mr. Krishnan Ramaya from Rotary Sadashivanagar. And we are happy to invite the team, all the 10 bikers from Northwest. Extremely sorry to accept it. I request all the bikers to kindly come out on the dais and get recognized. A small information to be shared with you all. we have a team of international riders from the different districts. From district 9650, from district 1810 of Germany, from Germany, and 1880 from Germany, and 1900 from Germany, and district 5340 from US. All these people are conducting a internet ride in their bikes in India from 31st of Jan. Krishnan Ramaya, Rotan Vijay Mane, Rotan Jai Prakash, Rotan Asad, Rotan Sunil Baglani, Rotan Ranganath, Rotan Jaychandra Pillai, Rotan Abhay Kanjikar, and Rotan Dharani, and Rotractor Srinidhi. I would like to recognize all their efforts, and all the way from their ride from Bangalore to Goa, and the team led by other people from Brian Bisley will be riding from 1st of February up to 9th of February in the different parts of the India.
Next year, ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ
I request all the bikers to kindly be on the stage itself. On the evening of a special event for the day, the chair of IFMR has come out with a roster commemorating the district conference 3190 in Goa. I request our governor to kindly release the roster.
Commemorative roster of IFMR, international riders, and the national riders put together with a lot of motorcycle information in it. My honor to request the governor to kindly release it on this occasion.
He's our selfie king. One last selfie. Selfie. Yeah.
That's what we say. Can't you make me a selfie?
Before coming to an end, I would like to invite once again our international rider, Rotan Brian Beasley, past district governor Rotan Brian Beasley, to the dais. Brian. Mr. Max with us. Mr. Peter Channel. Mr. Chuck Diver. Yeah. Mr. Lieutenant Kate Rivera, Lieutenant Constant Bloom, Mrs. Sophie Bloom, Lieutenant Martin, and Annette Fisher. Along with these international riders from District 3190, our Chairman Nagesh Siddhanti and the advisor for the IFMR, Lieutenant Ramdas Pai, are riding for an international ride which is going to be started from 1st of February. I would like to give them a big round of applause for the achievements and wish them all a success in their ride. Thank you, sir. Brian, would you like to address?
Pardon?
Would you like to address?
I can say a couple of words.
Yes, sure.
One thing about Rotary is you can always expect the unexpected, to say a few words. District Governor Nagesh, I bring you greetings from District Governor Maury Stack from District 9650 in Australia. A couple of words I would just simply say is that we've heard a lot about passion the last half an hour. And one thing Rotarians have is passion. We have a passion for life. And as I've seen some of the Indian motorcyclists ride on the road in the last few days, I can see that as we leave on our motorcycle ride in the next few days, we too are going to share your passion for survival on your roads. I might also add that that passion as motorcyclists in International Fellowship of Motorcycling Rotarians also allows us to share a common language. You'll notice that we have German, Belgian, Australian, I've forgotten someone, but one of the most beautiful things about any language is a smile, and a smile covers all languages. So thank you for your smiles today. Yeah? Please.
The last thing but not the least one more first thing which has happened in the district 3190. A club with a history of just 100 days, not even 100 days, Lieutenant Malgudi, and a club with the 12 years history which never conducted an ICGF on any of the avenue of services. That's Rotary Jivan Bhima Nagar and Rotary Malgudi. Conduct the international ICGF in a befitting manner, and it was one of the best ICGF which has been rated in the district 3190 for the year 2015-16. I would like to place the records without the support of all the chairmen of the fellowship groups. It might be wine, it might be golf, it might be cycling, or a music-loving Rotarians, or the fellowship on wine. The international services would not have been achieved this feat. I would once again thank all the chairmen of the international fellowship groups before ending the thing, and a special thanks to the district deputy director, Lieutenant Rajshekhar, and thanks for participating in the international services avenue, and look forward some more new achievements, some more new things, first things going to happen in the international services before the Rotary year 2015-16 come to an end. Thank you.
Thank you, Babu. Friends, now you all know that district conference is one of the major event, important event for the any district. Likewise, RI convention, it's very important event for the Rotary year, for the Rotary world. This year RI convention is happening at Korea, South Korea capital Seoul, one of the fastest growing city in the world. Already 48 registrations are done. I don't know latest, I don't know the latest. Our RI president is having a big target, ambitious target this year to break all possible records to have highest number of registration. For your information, as of yesterday, already around 40,000 registrations were done for the Seoul convention. And in all probability, the same trend continues. It's going to be 60,000 plus. I think we're going to break all previous records and we're going to be one of the biggest, highest registration convention. Now over to Abhay Kanjikar for the latest information and plans and programs.
Thanks, DG Nagesh. Good evening, friends. I bring greetings from the Go-To Convention Committee, and I request Prakash for the presentation. Okay, friends, as you all are aware, the convention is happening from 28th May to 1st June 2016 in Seoul, the beautiful capital city of South Korea. The Times magazine rated top 20 cities for 2016 to visit. At 12th place is Seoul. So you can, if you want to go by that, surely it is fastest growing city, a very beautiful city, and Korea is an offbeat destination. I think the best opportunity to see Seoul and Korea is to attend the convention. And we'll just see a small movie on Seoul and the convention.
Let's party together in South Korea at 2016 Rotary Convention. We're gonna have fun.
When you think of Korea, there are certain words that come into mind. Beautiful nature, time-honored history, modern city, and energetic people. But could you explain the charm of Korea with only that? The same way people from around the world want different things, there are hundreds of ways to enjoy Korea. Shall we take a look?
Lunchtime!
Here we go!
이모! 언니!
과장님. 안녕하세요.
Many charms inside Korea. People from all around the world enjoy Korea in their own special way.
오셔서 즐기세요.
엄청 즐겼어.
오셔서.
The world's second biggest convention hall, or the center, is at Korea, Seoul, the Kintex, after Chicago. It by itself is a city.
(2016년) 로타리 국제대회 도전과 갈등 속에서도 눈부신 발전을 이룩한 대한민국을 자랑하고 한국 로타리가 도약하는 계기로 만들어 주십시오.
Thanks, Prakash. Can you go back to the presentation, please? Yep, so here we are. We already missed the first deadline. If you have not yet registered for the convention, then you have missed the first deadline of 15th December, where we could have registered at $310. And now till March 15th, 2016, is $375. And after that, it will be $450. So my request is, or my suggestion is, please register for the convention immediately, block your dates and plan for your trip. We, the convention team, have selected two travel companies. One is the mid-segment, Fly in Sky, and a large segment travel company, Cox and Kings. We will be giving you the details. Please feel free to contact me. These are the committee members. I am the chair, Abhay Kanjikar. Vice chair is Jayaprakash BS from Kaban Park, KT Suresh from Gokul Vidya, Kamal Mahapatra from Bangalore IT Corridor, Sajeev Raghavan from Rotary Bangalore Udyog. You can feel free to contact any of them, or you can write to me at abhaykanjikar@gmail.com. We'll be very happy to help you in registering online for the convention. We will also connect you with the travel companies, and you can choose whichever package you want. Not only just Seoul and Korea, we have even added another destination, a very interesting and fantastic destination, Japan. So travel companies have given us very good proposals for both Seoul, South Korea and Japan. See the proposals and you can take whichever you are comfortable with. So once again, as DG mentioned, 40,000 people have already registered, and probably that number may go up to 65,000. It will be one of the biggest conventions. And the good news is, I think probably for the first time in District 3190, a sitting DG with the District First Lady, both are going to attend the RI convention at Seoul. Thank you very much, KP Nagesh and Uma Nagesh, for joining us. Thank you very much, guys. So with DG, we all will be there, and I'm sure DG will be going to get recognized for various accomplishments. We will all be there with him with a very big contingent. And our target, first target, our commitment to Rotary International is 100. But as DG mentioned, we should try and touch 200. So let us work for it. Please support us. Register for the convention. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Abhay. Somebody going out, please wait for your lucky choice. We are going to come back with the lucky tip shortly. Please wait after this. Friends, as Abhay mentioned, RI president is here. We are going to be in Bangalore on 6th and 7th. We are expecting the 100 registration to be completed by 7th February, so that we can present our district registration in a big number. And also, it's better to book early and confirm your ticket. Air ticket will be quite cheaper if you book early. Accommodation is also very cheaper. So if you delay it, everything will be costly. So please confirm your registration. And also, to add to that, we are planning for a free convention dinner for all those registered before 7th February. We're going to organize a free convention dinner at Bangalore by inviting all of you who are going to register. So, and also you're going to get a cheaper rate than compared to 31st March later, whatever you're booking. So please confirm. It's a great opportunity. Normally, South Korea goes as a good package from South Korea and Japan. Majority have taken the same package, South Korea and Japan. So please confirm your registration by 7th February. That means another 1 week to go. Now it's time to recognize the conference team, which is supporting a lot, the session coordination team and hospitality team. I think a big round of applause required for the hospitality team. You've done a wonderful job. Over to Ram to announce them.
Can I have members of the hospitality committee, Chairman Vasant Kumar, B. Hemant, Rotarian S. Balaji, Rotarian Nirav Mehta and Rotarian Vijay Kumar, we are pleased to come and join us on stage. Is the hospitality committee here? Come. Lovely. Come. Well, as you can see, there's a contrast. One is in Goa, the other in Bangalore. The session coordination committee, the people who do all the back room at the back, Chairman Vimla Malappa, who's a veteran at this. Vimla Malappa and her team, Savita Suresh, Suresh K, Mayank Kaushik and Arif HM. Can I also have the man behind the console, Prakash Belwadi? Can I request you to please come up, Prakash? Prakash Belwadi and your team, which is Prakash and Belwadi. Come, Prakash. Ladies and gentlemen, Prakash Belwadi, some of you would possibly know, has recently had a bereavement in his family, but since he made a commitment that he will be here with us, really, really appreciate the fact that he has taken time off from his personal bereavement to be here. Prakash, this means a lot to all of us. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here, my friend. Skyline Manju, where are you, Manju? Manju and team, can I request you to please come up quickly? This is which team? Sir, can I request you to please hand over a memento to Fazal Bhai, Srinath Babu, and Mahesh. No, different ones. Come, beta, come this way. I had mine. And now time for the lucky dip. Last session, lucky dip. Ratnadar. Again Ratnadar. No. So let's see. Guess who? Ratnadar again. Not again. Must find out whether he is filling all the slips with Ratnadar. Ramkrishna from Bangalore North. Ramki, are you there? Ramki 1, Ramki 2, Ramki gone. One more.